Amy Cohen from Strongest Minds. I know that many of you, my clients, are getting ready to go away on a great holiday weekend with your children, but knowing that many of you struggle with anxiety, or your kids struggle with anxiety or social anxiety, being in crowds, the fears and all of that goes with anxiety or fears, depression. So I want to just throw at you some remedies that you could stop and pick up from your health food store to help calm that anxiety before it even hits. And if you begin to give them now, these remedies, or take them yourself, 2 or 3 drops, 4 to 5 times a day, in anything they're drinking. You could put it right in your mouth, but it has an alcohol taste. So put it in anything for your kids, even in bottled water, soda, whatever it is that they're drinking. And you're gonna see changes by the time you're out in the crowds. There won't be that nervousness, those fears. It'll be beautiful for you as well. So go to your health food store, pick up Bach Rescue Remedy. These are all Bach flower essences. Pick up Aspen, pick up Mimulus. And if you really want to throw confidence in there, you can pick up Larch. But this is going to take your anxiety from a 10 to a 7 to maybe a 5 or even lower in no time at all. This is how you have a great weekend. Okay, happy Memorial Day, everyone.